So we got the buffer board IC replaced. We got it soldered in place. We get the area cleaned, as you can see here, from all of the flux that was applied to it. I don't think you can get it close enough up on there. Yeah, you can't really get it close enough on there to actually see the solder joints, but they are all soldered and independent. I verified it again with my jeweler scope that I have right here, a little 10x jeweler scope, I believe is what it is. What we're going to do now is I've already cleaned the heatsink, so we're going to reapply the heatsink. I have some heatsink Type 44 heatsink compound that we're going to put on the IC chip and reseat it. I don't recommend that you directly put it on there, because a lot of times I've noticed that when I've used this, it comes out in a watery base type thing. So I'm just going to put a little bit like right here on my desk. It's kind of unprofessional and very sloppy to do it this way, but I mean, I got a glass top, so I can clean it up real easy later on. Take your Q-tip, basically rub it around. In fact, you can probably see some of the water base right there. Just take Q-tip, rub it around, and make a mess, basically what the hell I just did. Just grab something. Here's a screwdriver. You can scoop that shit up and apply it onto the heatsink itself. As you can see, I made a big damn mess. So, can I say it's my first trial and error? Yeah, I made a big ass damn mess. And just basically rub it around on the IC chip. You want to try to make sure you cover the whole IC chip, because I believe the reason why these things fell anyway, it's from an overabundance of heat. If you want to, you can remove the rest of all the other IC chips and heat compound them or heat sink compound on them if you want, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to put this bad boy on here. So I got it on here. I'm going to press down lightly on it just so I know that I have heat sink compound coming out of every crevice of it. I'm going to make sure I have enough of it on there too, and get it as close as I can to the IC chip. Now I got my hot glue gun prepped. I'm going to go ahead and squirt some hot glue down there into it, and on each side. And I'm going to do that to hold it in place for a second. The hot glue gets extremely hot, but I don't think you have to worry about it messing up or desoldering the IC points or anything like that. I put some on each corner to hold the heatsink still in place, so it doesn't want to really move, and it's still kind of cool. But I think we're pretty good right now. Then what you're gonna want to do is I've already got enough of a stick in there. Once you get it kind of stationary where you want it and it kind of cools, kind of hold the heatsink still with your hand, and then just squeeze the hot glue into the crevices so it keeps it kind of in place. It doesn't have to be real professional. I would try to get it as professional as you can, because you want the bad boy to stay. You don't want it to come off later on. And I got it there. But you want to try to get it as professional as you possibly can. You don't have to be 100% professional. I mean, again, we're some at-home DIYers, right? Trying to save some money. Wait for it to dry up, because you can see I got some right here on the LCD panel connection there, like an idiot. Hopefully it doesn't go inside a crack and then it takes forever to clean out. Let's see if I can use this little pick. Get this little string over here. There we go. Come on out of there, man. Just scrape it all off with your nail. There it goes. once it's kind of dry. It doesn't take long for the hot glue to dry up. It just takes a couple seconds. There we go. And I kind of got these little strings of hot glue every damn where. But again, I'm no professional, I'm a rookie. Doesn't really matter. Hot glue is not really conductive as far as I know, but basically you have this whole fucking thing in. Anyway, it's there. There you have it. One IC chip repaired on the board. Let's go ahead and test it. Make sure we don't have any more short to grounds. We shouldn't have any because we did double check it when we did it. Lower buffer board again, power points are the lower two pins and the ground, and as you can see here, we don't have nothing. Yeah, we don't have nothing. Then we turn it to ohms mode. Check the resistance. 3, 5, and 20.9. Yeah, that's about right. They said that on their post blog. It should be high in one direction and low in the other direction if the board itself's good. And that's what we have. So oh shit. See? That's why you shouldn't be clumsy, man. You get stuff all over the place. But there you have it. One IC buffer, one buffer board. Holy smoly, man, this stuff's extremely, man. Anyway, there you have it. One buffer board IC replacement done. Any questions, comments, please post. Any ideas to help me do a little bit better, please post. Let me know what you think. Later.